Alright, today guys, we're gonna be playing Press the Button with a Mega Broccoli. Yeah, Mega Broccoli. And the prize, whoever sells it loses. So whoever wins it gets cheese. So we're gonna put our guesses on which one. I think. Okay, we'll wait. Alright, I think this one's a bad one. Alright. That one. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. This is rock. This is scissors. This is rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you. Okay. Wait, that's not a good thing. That's your go. I hate you. You lost. So, my cheese. What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, you coming out with me.